Well, guys, this is Farmer Joe's Mini Farm coming to you again. Just going to show you the ducks and the chickens. There's the ducks. There's one of the chickens. And there's the other chicken. Just wanted to make a video and let you guys see the chickens and the ducks. Anyway, my videos has been getting a lot of views, so I've been trying to post a video every day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you do so. Anyway, like I said before, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is Farmer Joe's Mini Farm coming to you. Have a good evening, everyone.